Hello, hello, hello everyone. Hello, Antonella. I love you too, Antonella. Thank you. Thank you very much for that beautiful message. Thank you very much. Okay. Hello, everyone, and welcome to this math class. Today, hello, Marianita. Hi, sweetie. Today we are going to learn about a new topic and it's going to be very, very nice, very fun. Hello, Majo. Good morning. Welcome. Who else is ready for the class? Let's see. Taran, taran. Okay. So now I found my days of the week. So now we can make the date properly. Okay. Hello, Alejito. Hello, Miguel. Hi, sweetie. Okay, very, very good. So now let's see what day are we in today, okay? So everyone ready? 1, 2, 3. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Very, very good. Excellent. Now let's see what month are we right now. Everyone ready? So 1, 2, who is there? Hello, Joaquin. Hello, sweetie. Okay, everyone, ready for the song? 1, 2, 3. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. We are on June. We are on June the 2nd. Okay? Very, very good. Okay, so today we are going to talk about the new topic. We are going to talk about measurement. Do you know what measurement means? What is to measure? We can measure different things. We can measure the height of things. We can measure how heavy things are. We can measure capacity. We can measure weight. We can measure the length of the objects, height, how tall the objects are, right? So today we are going to talk about measurement, and we are going to measure the height of some objects, okay? Here I have Felipe. Hi, Felipe. Very good. Okay, in the mail, I ask you to have a ruler. I hope you have a ruler at home, and to have a clip like this one, right? And a piece of wool or a piece of anything like this. It can be wool, it can be like this, tape, okay? Very good, excellent. So let's begin by talking about the ruler. If you have the ruler at home, you can notice that we have numbers from 0. This one goes to 30. We have some rulers that are shorter, right? I have this different ruler that goes from 0 to 15 is the half of this ruler. Look, is the half of the ruler. We have different types of ruler. We have these type of rulers too, right? It also has the numbers, okay? But it has the shape of a triangle. It's for different purposes. When you are going to be bigger, you are going to learn how to use this type of ruler. Hello, Thomas. Welcome. Hello, Juan Jesus. Welcome, sweetie. Okay, so we have many different types of ruler. The important thing is that in the rulers, we have some units of measurement. In this case, we have centimeters. Okay, so here this one has 30 centimeters. And on this one, I just have 15. Can you see letter C and letter M? This goes for centimeters. On the other side, I have a different type of measurement units. These are inches. But, hello Camila. But we are going to use the centimeters. We are not going to use the inches, just the centimeters. And here also the same thing. Look, I have here inches. Can you see? Okay. They are different. This one is better. Can you see that they are different? These ones are smaller. Between number 0 and number 1 is this space. And instead here, between number 0 and number 1 is a longer space, right? So we are just going to work with cm, centimeters. And we can use any ruler that we have. What is the importance of measurement? That with this type of instruments, we can know how tall, how high something or somebody is, for example, let's try it with this box. This is a clip box. And I need to know how tall is the box, right? What are the measures of this box? So I'm going to use my super ruler. I'm going to use the small one, the black one. And I need to know how long this side of the box is. And that's where I use my ruler. I set the ruler here at the beginning of the box, and I see that it goes from 0 to number 8 and a little bit more, 8.5, 8.5, right? So now I know that my box measures 8 centimeters and a half, right? And now let's see how tall is the box. Again, I place the ruler here at 0 at the beginning, and I'm going to see that my box height is 10. I get to number 10. That means this box has 8 centimeters here and 10 centimeters here. That's how we use the ruler. Do you remember when you go to the doctor and the doctor asks you to stand by the wall and he measures how tall are you, right? If you have grown a lot during these days. Okay, that is another way to measure. We can measure people, we can measure objects, we can measure animals, we can measure different type of elements. Okay, very, very good. Okay, but sometimes if I don't have a ruler, I can use different objects to measure. For example, again, with the same box, if I don't have a ruler and I need to know if this box is big enough to fit in my a school bag, so I can use another materials. For example, I can use this or the piece of wool, and I can measure, okay, this box goes from here to here, okay, and I will know that this is the measure of my box. So I can use anything that I have. For example, this stick, again, I can measure, okay, how tall is this box? So I'm going to check here, and I can make a little mark here with a marker. I can mark here, and I will know, oh, okay, the box height is this measure. Okay, very, very good. But now we are going to play. Here I have some toys. I have here my big bear. I have here a tiny bear. Look, it's very, very small. I have here my dog. Remember, I brought this dog to school one day. And I have my mammoth. Very good. So we are going to compare the toys that I have here, and we are going to measure them. Okay, I'm going to show the toys again. Take a very good look at them. I have the bear. I have the tiny bear. I have the dog. And I have the mammoth. Okay, which of these toys do you think is the tallest one? Hello, Juanita. Welcome, sweetie. Which toy is the tallest one? The dog, the bear, the gray bear, the brown bear. Which one is the tallest one? Any idea? Maybe this one is the tallest. No, right? If I compare the dog and the bear is the tallest one. This one is the tallest one. So we are going to measure my toys, and we are going to write the results on the notebook. So please grab your cuadritos notebook, and we are going to measure my toys. Today we are going to measure my toys. Then at home you are going to measure your own toys. Okay? So go ahead and grab your notebook. I have here my notebook, and we are going to write the title measurement. Measurement here on the top of the page. So we begin with capital letter M. Okay, measurement. Okay, letter M. Letter E. Letter A. Letter S. Letter U. letter R, letter E, letter M, letter E again, letter N, and finally letter T. Measurement. Wow, what a long word. Letter M, E, A, S, U, R, E, M, E, N, T. Measurement. Very good. So we are going to measure the toys that I have here at home. And we are going to begin with the tallest of the toys. Which one was the tallest? The gray bear. This one was the tallest one. So we are going to see how tall is this bear. We are going to measure the bear, okay? So here in your notebook, you are going to write which toy we are going to measure. And we are going to call this gray bear. Okay, so this one is going to be gray bear. With your pencil, let's write number 1, because that's the first toy we are going to measure, number 1. And we are going to write the name of the toy, gray bear. So we begin with a capital letter G. Letter R. Letter E. And letter Y. Gray, gray. Now, bear. Little space here. And bear. Letter B. Letter E. Letter A. And letter R. Gray bear. Very good. So let's see how tall is the gray bear. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to grab my ruler, the blue ruler, and let's see how tall. I'm going to measure this way to see how tall is my. So here I have 0. Can you see? 0. I'm going to see how tall is my bear. I think it measures 30, right? 30 centimeters. So I'm going to write, we are going to write how tall is the gray bear. I'm going to write 30 centimeters. Centimeters, we write letter C and letter M. C, M. This is how tall is my gray bear. 30 centimeters. Ready? Excellent, super duper. Okay, this is the tallest one. What do you think is the next one? I have the bear, I have the dog, and I have the mammoth. Which one is taller? The dog or the mammoth? Let's compare. We are comparing the two animals. Which one is taller? What do you think? Look, I think the dog is taller, right? It's taller. So the next one is the dog. We are going to measure the dog. Then we will continue with the mammoth. And finally, the little bear. Okay? So let's continue with the dog. So we are going to write number 2, dog. Capital letter D. Letter O. And letter G. Dog. Dog. And let's see how tall is my dog. I'm going to grab my ruler again. And I'm going to place number 0 here at the bottom. And let's see, can you see? Wait, let's use this one better. Okay, so here, how tall? Let's measure until here, okay? To the head here, not the ears, just the head. So let's measure how tall is my dog. I get to number what? Number 19, do you think? Or 20? 20? Okay, so my dog has 20 centimeters of height. 20 centimeters. 10 less than the gray bird. So I'm going to write 20 here, 20 centimeters, cm. That's how tall my dog is. The gray bear that is the tallest has 30 centimeters. The dog, that is the next one, has 20 centimeters. So now we are going to continue with whom? Number 3 is the mammoth. Very good. So let's write mammoth. So we begin with capital letter M. Letter A. Double letter M, MM. Letter O. Letter T. And letter H, mammoth. So let's continue with the mammoth. So let's see how tall is the mammoth. I'm going to grab the ruler and you are going to tell me how tall is the mammoth. Okay, can you see? Wait. How tall is the mammoth? Okay, let's see, like 18. What do you think? 18, I think, like here. Yes, 18. So the mammoth is 18 centimeters. 18. So under the mammoth, we are going to write 18 centimeters. Excellent. Okay, now we have the last one. What is the last one? The little brown bear, right? I'm going to put a piece of paper here to finish the activity. Okay, so let's write number 4. In the notebook, let's write number 4. We are going to write brown bear. Brown bear. Brown bear. So we begin with capital letter B, brown. Letter R. Letter O. Letter W. And letter N, brown. Brown, very good. Another word, bear. We are going to write bear again. So brown, letter B, letter E, letter A, and finally letter R. R. Brown bear. Okay, now let's see how tall is the tiny brown bear. He's very, very small. So I think we can measure the bear by the back, right? So help me see, how tall is the brown bear? I'm going to sit the brown here. Okay, can you tell me how tall is the brown bear? It is like 10, 11 centimeters. Okay, put your head like this, 10, like here. 10 centimeters, right? 10. So the brown bear is 10 centimeters. That's right here, 10 centimeters. So we did our first chart measuring 4 different toys, my toys. But now you are going to do the same that we did here, but using 3 or 4 of your toys. You are going to choose any toys. You can choose teddy bears or any type of a toy, and you are going to compare and you are going to measure using a ruler like the one that I show you here. So you're going to choose 3 or 4 toys and you are going to measure them. You are going to compare. You are going to measure first the tallest one, then the next one, and finally the small one. And you are going to measure how tall those toys are, and you are going to write down the information like we did today, like we did with my toys. Okay? So you are going to do the same at home to learn how to use the ruler, how to measure with a ruler. It is clear? Very good. So you are going to measure some of your toys, 3 or 4 toys that you have at home. And you are going to write the information like this. You write the name of the toy, the name that you want to put to the toy, and how tall is the toy using the ruler. Okay? So have fun. Very, very good, Tikis. So see you tomorrow. Have fun measuring your toys. Love you so much and miss you. Bye.